Okay, so lesson 2.8, quadratic models. We're going to classify scatter plots. For example 1, it talks about y equals ax plus b. This is linear model. This is a quadratic model of ax squared plus bx plus c. And it wants us to decide whether each set of data can be linear or quadratic. And so what you do is, go to our, remember on our calculator, we just type these data points in, we hit stat, edit. As you can see here, I've already typed in all the x's under L1, all the y's under L2, and to get this picture of this graph, which is what they have here, I went to y equals, I have to turn the stat plot on, which means that has to be highlighted, and then I'm going to hit graph. Alright, and then I get a picture similar to this one. If your window's a little bit different, go to window, and I change the x to 0 and the y minimum to 0, so I don't want to be in the first quadrant. Then I hit graph. As you can see, the picture here in the book, this means to put the x at 0, to put the x at 0, the y at 0, put the y max at 6, and the y max at 5, you get to look like that. Okay, you can see here from part B, this appears to be more of a quadratic move because it has more like a curve like a quadratic, so we'd classify that as quadratic. And then C, I'm trying to put it on the screen for you so you can see it. This graph here on C is not linear or quadratic, so we'd classify that one as neither. Okay, let's go ahead and try number 5 and then see what we did here. I'll turn the book over here to number 5. It appears that number 5, based upon this picture, is going to be linear.